NEC section 310.15b4 allows the neutral conductor of a feeder to be reduced in size if the feeder is for a single-phase, 3-wire load center operating at 208/120 volts. The rationale for reducing the neutral wire size stems from the fact that in a balanced single-phase system, the neutral current is typically smaller than the phase currents for several reasons. Firstly, balanced loads contribute to this reduction. In a balanced system, the loads on each phase are equal in magnitude and phase angle. This results in the vector sum of the phase currents cancelling out in the neutral. Secondly, many residential loads operate on 120 volts between a single-phase conductor and the neutral. These loads do not contribute significantly to neutral current under balanced conditions. Thirdly, phase cancellation plays a role. The phase currents of 120-volt loads are 180 degrees out of phase with each other. This means that they tend to cancel out in the neutral when the system is balanced. To calculate the reduced size of the neutral wire, you can refer to NEC table 310.15b4. This table provides a multiplier to apply to the phase conductor ampacity to determine the allowable neutral conductor ampacity. For example, if the feeder phase conductors are rated for 100 amps, the allowable neutral conductor ampacity could be calculated as follows: neutral ampacity equals 100 amps times 0.75, which equals 75 amps. However, there are a few exceptions where the neutral wire size cannot be reduced. These include, firstly, feeders supplying nonlinear loads such as electronic devices or switch-mode power supplies. Secondly, feeders for 277/480 volt systems. Thirdly, underground feeders may have different requirements based on local codes or specific installation conditions. In conclusion, the neutral wire in a single-phase, 3-wire feeder can often be reduced in size because the neutral current is typically smaller than the phase currents due to balanced loads, 120-volt loads, and phase cancellation. However, it is crucial to be aware of the exceptions where the neutral wire size cannot be reduced to ensure compliance with the NEC and safe operation of the electrical system.